Ebyagambwa Dr. Tango Doi olukkuula okuteeza akalulu mu kibiina kya NRM obyabanaganira mu lukiiko lw'abanyamakulu olwa Bahal Plot 13 aha Kyaddondo mu Kampala. Mu lukiiko olwo oguyashazamu olugambo olubinu rugendo mu miisho ngu akalulu ka NRM kayongezebwayo hari kugira ngu ebyo nebishuba ebyo nebitambuzibwa batarikwenda NRM hari kugira ngu buri kimwe kyahereze kutebeekanisibwa kurungi.
Kulonda zijja kubaayo nga 17 ku Thursday. Bade mulowooza nti tujja kukyusa. Tujja kukyusa. Tujja kulonda oba kijja kijje.
There were a lot of rumors that the elections have been postponed, but we are going to have this election for members of parliament on Thursday, 17th. And those who are candidates, your supporters, well-wishers, prepare that the elections will take place on the 17th as per the guidelines issued by the NRM Electoral Commission.
Dr. Tango Doi yayongera yashoborera abanyayuganda ngo akalulu akanu kiza kuterwa ubu barukosa za register za NRM kandi nibija kutandikana shahi 5 bakibera mu register amazina batandikisha hamukago kutera akalulu rero bakamara shaha 8 batandike kurangirira wasinga obutarenga shahi 10 mwabazyo.
Tujja kutandika kulonda nga sawa 4. Tujja kutandika ne baraza mukuru wanga jaji. Tujja kutandika ne baraza nga sawa 4 naye sawa 5 roll call. Oba toli mu register tujja kulonda. Karamoja tujja kutandika sawa 3 lwakuba bo bakyalundayo ente ate batambula nnyo nga balunda. Tujja kutandika sawa 3 tukomere ddala nga sawa 5. Naye mu Uganda yonna tujja kutandika ne roll call ku sawa 4 5 election wa lining up mabega wa mugongo zitandika sawa 6 zikoma sawa 8.
Oguyarabura abantu bonna habagurira abatezi b'akalulu ngora kwatwe naija kushazibwamu hamwe n'ogora abaresira akavuyo kandi oguyarabura n'abarikwenda kureta bakanyama omu kalulu aka.
Bribing abalonzi tujja ba disqualifying. Kuluno Electoral Commission eyinza kubeera mukambwe nnyo ku irregularities. Tujja ba disqualifying bagende mu kooti. Tukwatagane mu kooti.
Abamwe abutinda hindwiremu abo kugira ngo babire batugambire bakwatagene nabo kwesimba kwenda kutwaza kubakaruru nabo takahindura mu nti yakubahindura echo ntweno mu cyetegereza.
Akalulu aka nibiza kutandika no kutera obururu bwo munyishengero kazi rero bakurasiyeho bundi kandi buri cyaro nibiza kuca forms zacyo zitarukushana nko muringo gumuho gwo kwihara obona abarukwenda kuzikoresa okwiba akalulu.
If you tamper with the DRA form from the village on its way to the district, we have already devised our secret means which will handle that. Are we sure that we are going to be fair to everybody? Yes. Because in NRM election, we start at ground zero. Do we have registrars who are bad-mannered? Yes. Because they are part of a bad society where they come from. But we shall handle them.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha Watayari West.